Hey there, this is Sam from GHL SaasKits, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can hide the navigation menu per location basis. Let's say for example you have some clients in your GHL agency and you want to hide the navigation menu based on the location of your clients. Okay, so let me show you step by step how you can do this. Okay, so first of all, here into the GHL Code Snippets library. Okay, once you will be here, okay, just land on the snippets and find the location based menu visibility. Okay, just search it here and you will see this. Okay, and then click get code snippets. Okay, and then here is the instruction also, like your css id for the menu, okay, of your GoHighLevel account. Okay, so let me just show you how you can use this. Okay, so first of all, copy the code snippets, everything from here. Okay, okay, and then just copy and then go to the code editor. Okay, all you just need to click this button to go to the uh, code editor and then paste the code here. Okay, so now you need to just edit this part. Okay, but rest of the code is already fine and you don't need to touch anything. Okay, so just get the location id. Let's say for example I'm going to use this location id. Okay, so you will find the location id at the address bar of your account. Okay, so or otherwise you can also find the location id by going to the specific sub account. Okay, so then just put the location id here. In this example, here is my location id and then the menu id. Okay, so here you can see we have the menu id. You can see for the launchpad, the dashboard, conversation. Okay, so let's say for example I want to hide the launchpad. Okay, so now just copy this from here and go back to your code. Okay, and then replace it. Okay, this way let me grab another one. Let's say for example I want to hide the conversation. Okay, so here just copy this, go back to the code and put it here. Okay, so this way you can just hide for this specific location any navigation menu you have. Okay, so all you just need to put your navigation menu id here. Okay, so you can put the comma and then double quote and inside that put your navigation id. Okay, so in this case I'm going to hide two of them, and then if you need more than one location, then at the very end of this array, okay, put a comma like this and then again put your location id. Okay, as well as the menu id. Okay, so let me copy this enter code snippets now. Okay, just copy this and then go back to your GoHighLevel account. Okay, from the agency dashboard go to settings and then company. Okay, after that you will find the option called white label, and inside that you will find the custom JS, and here all you just need to paste the code. Okay, and then save it. That's it. Okay, it's very simple and straightforward. Let me just see if this is working. Okay, so let me reload the page. So in this example I just hide the launchpad and the conversation tab. Okay, so let's see. You can see there are no launchpad as well as the conversation is also gone. Okay, if I delete any of them to show you, let me edit this code. Okay, so let's say for this time I want to show the launchpad. Okay, and then copy the code again, go back to your dashboard Okay, let me find the code. We have bunch of different code here, so it's a bit hard to find. Okay, so here just delete everything. Okay, I'm just going to show you how you can do this. Okay, just paste the new code here again. So this time it will just hide the uh, conversion tab, right? It will show the launchpad. So let me reload the page again, just in a moment. You can see it's showing the launchpad. So this way you can hide any of the navigation menu based on the location. Okay, so if you want to hide something for your specific client from the navigation menu, then you can do this by using this code snippets. Okay, hope you get the idea how it actually works. Thanks again for watching this video. Have a nice day.